Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by protecting your data because a factory reset wipes personal files. Once you back up photos and contacts to cloud or PC, make sure the battery is above 50% to avoid interruption. Now power off the Vivo Y91. While off, press and hold volume up and power together until the recovery menu appears. This key combo boots the device into recovery so you can perform a full reset safely. Once in recovery, you navigate with the volume keys and confirm with power. This lets you choose the correct wipe options without touchscreen input. Select Wipe Data, then confirm Wipe All Data to remove apps and accounts. This is the step that restores factory settings. Be patient while the phone erases partitions. Interrupting could corrupt the system. When the wipe finishes, the menu will return. Make sure to select Reboot System now to restart into a clean setup. You should now let the Y91 reboot and follow on-screen prompts to set language, Wi-Fi, and sign into Google. This restores your account access and syncs backups. If the phone gets stuck on the Vivo logo, make sure to re-enter recovery and try the wipe again, because incomplete wipes can cause boot loops. If problems persist, such as persistent boot failures or hardware error messages, contact Vivo support or an authorized service.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.